Hello friends, warm welcome to this video. How to install Windows 10 apps to an external drive. Are you running out of space on your internal drive, but still want to install more apps on your Windows 10 PC? Fortunately, Windows 10 allows you to install apps directly onto an external drive. This video will show you how to set it up quickly without using third-party software. Let's get into it and free up that internal space right away. Method 1. Click on the Start button and open Settings. Select System from the list of settings. Click on Storage from the left-hand side menu. Scroll down and click Change where new content is saved. Under New Apps will save to, select your external drive from the dropdown. Click Apply to save the new setting. Now, install any app from Microsoft Store. It will install to the external drive. Method 2. Connect your external drive to the PC. Go to Settings and click on Apps. Under Apps and Features, scroll to find the app you want to move. Click on the app and then click Move. Choose the external drive from the list. Click Move again to confirm. Wait for the process to complete. The app will now run from the external drive. That's it. You've now got the effective ways to install or move Windows 10 apps to an external drive. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. Press the bell icon to get updates on new tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.